Summary of Guns, Germs, and Steel by Diamond. In the introduction, Diamond sets the stage for his inquiry into human history by posing the question, why did some societies advance more rapidly than others? He critiques traditional explanations that attribute this divergence to racial differences, arguing instead for a framework grounded in environmental and geographic factors. Please like and subscribe to our channel. The idea of geographic luck suggests that the availability of natural resources, including fertile land and domesticable species, played a crucial role in shaping societies. Diamond highlights regions like the Fertile Crescent, where the abundance of wild plants and animals suitable for domestication allowed for early agricultural development. In contrast, areas with limited resources faced significant challenges in advancing. Not all species are equally amenable to domestication, and this selectivity influences societal progress. Diamond categorizes domesticated species into three groups: those that provide food crops and livestock, those that provide materials, fiber and skins, and those that provide labor beasts of burden. The availability of these species in certain geographic regions allowed for the establishment of stable agricultural societies. The shift from hunting and gathering to agriculture was a complex process that offered both advantages and challenges. Diamond explains that agriculture led to food surpluses, which supported larger populations and enabled the development of specialized professions. However, this transition also introduced new problems such as social stratification, disease, and environmental degradation. The development of writing was crucial for the administration of complex societies and the preservation of knowledge. Diamond examines how writing facilitated trade, governance, and the storage of information. Societies with writing systems, such as Mesopotamia and Egypt, could maintain records and engage in long-distance trade more effectively than those without. Technological innovations do not develop in isolation. They spread through contact and interaction between societies. Diamond discusses the diffusion of agricultural techniques and military technologies across Eurasia, facilitated by trade routes and migrations. Societies that were more interconnected could adopt and adapt innovations more rapidly, gaining advantages over isolated groups. Infectious diseases played a critical role in shaping the outcomes of conquests and colonization. Diamond details how European colonizers brought diseases to the Americas, leading to devastating population declines among indigenous peoples. This demographic collapse was a significant factor in European success during colonization. The rise of agriculture increased human populations' exposure to diseases. As societies became more sedentary and lived in close quarters with domesticated animals, zoonotic diseases became more prevalent. Diamond argues that the immunities developed by European populations were a result of this long history of exposure, contrasting sharply with indigenous populations who had no such defenses. As societies grew larger and more complex, they required more sophisticated forms of governance. Diamond examines the emergence of centralized states and bureaucracies, which allowed for better resource management and conflict resolution. Societies that developed effective governance structures could maintain order and mobilize for expansion. Military organization and technology were crucial in determining which societies expanded and which were conquered. Diamond analyzes how advancements in weaponry, tactics, and logistics contributed to the success of certain societies over others. Societies that could efficiently organize and equip their military forces had a greater ability to exert control over their neighbors. Geographic and environmental factors led to enduring patterns of inequality across different regions of the world. Diamond explores how certain areas, particularly Eurasia, benefited from favorable conditions that allowed for early agricultural development, leading to the rise of powerful states. In contrast, regions like sub-Saharan Africa faced ecological challenges that hindered similar advancements. Understanding historical inequalities is crucial for addressing contemporary global issues. Diamond connects historical patterns of development with modern socioeconomic disparities. emphasizing that many current conflicts and inequalities can be traced back to historical geographic factors. He argues for policies that consider these historical contexts in efforts to address inequality and promote development. In the conclusion, Diamond reiterates the importance of recognizing the role of environmental and geographic factors in shaping human history. He advocates for a more nuanced understanding of global inequalities and encourages readers to consider how history influences current events. Diamond's Guns, Germs, and Steel presents a compelling narrative that challenges conventional explanations for societal success and dominance. By highlighting the significance of geographic and environmental factors, Diamond provides readers with a deeper understanding of the complexities of human history and the forces that continue to shape our world. About the author Diamond. Diamond, the author of Guns, Germs, and Steel, is an American polymath renowned for his interdisciplinary approach to understanding history and human societies. Born on September 10, 1937 in Boston, Massachusetts, Diamond's academic journey spans multiple fields, including physiology, evolutionary biology, geography, and anthropology. His diverse expertise is a hallmark of his work, enabling him to connect insights from various disciplines to answer some of humanity's most profound questions. Diamond earned his undergraduate degree in biochemistry from Harvard University and his Ph.D. in physiology from the University of Cambridge. Initially, his career focused on physiology and biophysics, but his fascination with bird ecology and evolution eventually led him to fieldwork in New Guinea, where he studied the island's rich biodiversity and indigenous cultures. This experience deeply influenced his writing, particularly his desire to explore the root causes of global inequalities. His time in New Guinea shaped the pivotal question at the heart of Guns, Germs, and Steel: why did certain societies dominate others in wealth, power, and technology? Diamond's body of work extends beyond Guns, Germs, and Steel. His other books, such as Collapse: How Societies Choose to Fail or Succeed, and The World Until Yesterday, delve into themes of environmental sustainability, societal resilience, and lessons from traditional cultures. For Guns, Germs, and Steel, Diamond received the Pulitzer Prize for General Nonfiction in 1998, cementing his reputation as a leading thinker in global history. The book was also adapted into a documentary by the National Geographic Society, reaching millions of viewers worldwide. Beyond his literary achievements, Diamond is a professor of geography at the University of California, Los Angeles, and has been recognized with numerous honors, including the National Medal of Science and membership in prestigious organizations like the National Academy of Sciences. Diamond's work exemplifies the power of interdisciplinary research. By bridging biology, geography, history, and sociology, he provides fresh perspectives on complex issues, challenging readers to think beyond conventional narratives. His writings not only inform but also inspire, encouraging readers to question the world around them and seek deeper understanding of the forces that have shaped human history. Whether examining ancient civilizations or modern societal challenges, Diamond remains a voice of reason and curiosity, inviting readers to explore the intricate web of environmental, cultural, and historical factors that define human existence. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.